it again. We're back. Yeah. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, so we out here in the wild, looking for a spot real quick. But let's move it along. Alright, let's get back to it. You already know we out here. Saturday morning. Little wood. And I'll say Mother Nature. Look at this. It's beautiful outside. Peaceful, quiet, you know. On this rainy, cold day, as you kind of see, just se me está chispeando un poquito. Little raindrops, but let me show you the way. Look at the outside. Oh, beautiful. But yeah, man, some weed. Nah, how can I put this? Medical cannabis. In a way, medical cannabis and Mother Nature, they really go together. I think it get turned off, but let's get a closer look at this. It's peaceful. Kind of raining, damn, it's raining a little bit harder now. So the trees are helping the rain from getting me more wet. But yeah, let me light it up. I'll be back. Man, I don't really know what to be saying, but to be showing y'all, man, it's just good vibes out here. You know. So we just still continue walking around. So beautiful. As usual, let me show you around. Picture of the view. Look at this rain. It's turning out pretty cold. It's getting more rainy. Let's sit down here real quick. Nah. Well, we keep on going up. Like, the trail still keeps on going up. My legs, nah, not that real tired, but just come on, move it along. Let me show ya. Picture. That view. came back to this end, I was coming down this way, as you can see from the back, and now I hit a spot where there's a left and a right turn, and I don't know which way to go. Turned off. Yeah, let's go left. The wood is kind of getting wet, but I'm trying to cover it over with my hand. Light it up in a while, but the rain won't make it all wet. So we're gonna keep on going. Oh, look at this little trail. I think these are not even true. This way, that way, this way. Let's head up this way. Watch out, yeah. Whatever's around here. Well, we're heading back. Let's keep on going this way. It looks like we're heading somewhere heading this way. All these thorns, but like I got sweatpants. They're helping a lot. Let's go. Yeah. It's a lot of thorns. I think I just lost the path. But let's get back to it. Keep on hitting more ahead. More but he keeps on getting with this closer gaps where you gotta go down to go through. Say this way. Heading up. And sometimes it keeps on getting harder and lower to get past these. I'm saying that I see a path, but can't be sure. Hello, I'll be back.